Oriria Kenya kuma mieni itiganite marathie na mbere na gutangika magĩethana na maguta kumana na unyihu wamo ciĩrĩgĩrĩro itiganite cia maguta ma ngari. President Uhuru Kenyatta ni ahoete Kenya magie na umĩrĩru amu thĩna ũyũ ũraiguĩka thĩ yothe.
Sasa vita ambaye haituhusu sisi imejitokeza kule Europa na dunia mzima yateseka kwa sababu ya ukosaji wa mafuta na mambo mengine. Fertilizer imepanda, bei ya mafuta imepanda, na pia kumekuwa hata shortage ya mafuta. Na waomba tuwaombee hawa wenzetu wawache hizo vita, kwa sababu wa kuumia ni sisi.
President augite kwa ihinda rĩrĩ thirikari ndĩrĩ na kĩhonia gĩa kũnina ũnyihu wa maguta amu bũrũri wa Russia nĩguo wa gatatũ harĩ mabũrũri marĩa menjaga na kwendia maguta marĩa maingĩ thĩinĩ wa thĩ, na mbara ĩyo ĩtangĩthira ũrugarĩ wa kwaga kwa maguta ũgũthiĩ na mbere kũiguĩka.
Wananchi wa Africa, Asia na kule kwingine ambao wanategemea, because that peace is critical not just for Kenya, it is critical for the world.
Jana nilienda more than 4, singeweza pata mafuta imekwisha. Who's making is this? Somebody somewhere ambaye we have no business with what is happening, but we are all suffering.
Let us not blame anybody in Kenya, because it is a world phenomenal problem because of the war in Ukraine. Our prayer is that the Lord will give us rain this year, so that we will not have food insufficiency in the country.
Oho, mũmbunge wa Ugenya kaunti ya Siaya orĩtie thirikari ĩthuthurie na yethane na arĩa mahithĩtie maguta bũrũri-inĩ makĩenda ũnyihu wamo ũcũngĩrĩrie kuongererwo gwa thogora.
But some people, some cartels have sat somewhere and have decided that they are going to cause a difficult shortage of petroleum products in the country. And request Parliament, where I sit, and request the DCI, and request the Competition Authority that we must go after the cartels that are denying Kenyans a chance to do about their businesses daily.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, jitagwo Jenga Waboi.